Are you struggling to find the perfect camera for your next adventure? Look no further. In this video, we'll dive into the details of the GoPro Hero 12 Black on Amazon. For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me when I first started researching this product: the sheer amount of features and upgrades compared to its predecessor. You'd think that with all these new bells and whistles, it would be out of reach for most consumers. However, the GoPro Hero 12 Black has managed to strike a perfect balance between innovation and affordability. There's something about buying an action camera that gets your heart racing, that mix of excitement and trepidation as you wonder if this new gadget will live up to its promises. But what really caught my attention was the fact that GoPro has taken their already impressive waterproofing capabilities to the next level. This thing is rugged, folks. We're talking 33 feet of underwater protection. Let's get down to business and explore what makes this camera tick. As we've established, it's an action camera powerhouse with a host of features designed to push your content creation game forward. One of the standout features for many users will be the improved video quality, a staggering 8:1 lossless compression, which essentially means you can squeeze hours and hours of footage onto that single memory card. And when I say staggering, I mean it. This camera can capture up to 5K resolutions at 30 frames per second or even 4K at an incredible 120 FPS. The possibilities are endless. Of course, with great video comes great stabilization, and the GoPro Hero 12 Black delivers in spades. We're talking HyperSmooth 2.0 tech here, which promises a silky smooth ride even when things get crazy. Whether you're skiing down a mountain or sailing across the ocean, your footage will be crystal clear. But let's not overlook one of the most important features for many users: battery life. I mean, who doesn't hate running out of juice at the worst possible moment? Thankfully, GoPro has packed this thing with a long-lasting 1860 mAh cell that should keep you going all day long. And if you're in a pinch, you can always pop in an extra battery or use one of their optional chargers. So far, so good, but what about the interface and user experience? I've got some great news for you. This thing is ridiculously easy to use. From setting up your Wi-Fi connection to adjusting settings on the fly, it's all surprisingly intuitive. Don't get me wrong, there are plenty of advanced features lurking beneath the surface, but even a complete newbie can pick this camera up in no time. Of course, we have to talk about the camera's durability. After all, that waterproofing I mentioned earlier had better be up to snuff. Fortunately, GoPro has put it through rigorous testing and come out on top with an impressive IPX8 rating. That's 33 feet underwater for those who don't speak techno jargon. As we explore this beast of a camera further, you'll start to see just how well-rounded it is. From its incredible image stabilization to its seriously long battery life, there's no shortage of things to love about the GoPro Hero 12 Black. But here's where things get really interesting, or at least they should be for those who have been considering this purchase. With all these bells and whistles, you might expect it to break the bank. But hold on to your hats, folks. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is actually priced quite competitively, especially when compared to some of its more, shall we say, adventurous counterparts. As a quick aside, if you're new to action cameras or just not sure where to start, I recommend taking a look at some of the other options on Amazon. There are plenty of great choices out there that won't break the bank, but for those who want the very best, this camera is well worth considering. In fact, one of my favorite aspects of the GoPro Hero 12 Black is its versatility. Whether you're an avid photographer or a pro-level filmmaker, this thing can adapt to whatever your needs may be. And when I say pro-level, I mean it. With features like 4K resolution and those aforementioned HyperSmooth stabilizers, you'll have no problem capturing stunning footage even in the most challenging environments. Now I know what you're thinking. What about compatibility? Will this thing play nice with my smartphone or laptop? Well, rest assured that GoPro has thought of everything here. With seamless integration across all major platforms and operating systems, you can start editing your masterpiece right away. Of course, if you want to get really fancy, there's always the option to upgrade to their premium editing software. Of course, no discussion would be complete without mentioning the camera's impressive array of lenses and accessories available for purchase on Amazon. From ultra-wide-angle options to telephoto zooms, you can customize your GoPro Hero 12 Black experience however suits your needs best. And finally, after all that excitement, it's time to wrap up this review with a quick rundown of my overall impressions. In short, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is an absolute powerhouse on paper and in practice. Don't get me wrong, I've seen some impressive cameras come down the pipeline, but this one takes the cake. Now that you know all about what makes the GoPro Hero 12 Black tick, are you ready to take your filmmaking to new heights? Trust me, with its incredible image quality, hypersmooth 2.0 stabilization, and seriously long battery life, not to mention an affordable price tag, this camera is a no-brainer for anyone serious about capturing stunning action footage. For the best price on Amazon, click the link in the description below.